Hi, y'all. Thank you for tuning back in. This is part two of me combing out my locks. This is the end of day three, right where we left off, and I am getting my husband to take a measurement of my locks. I was trying to do it earlier, but I really couldn't get a good measurement by myself. So here we go. Look at my face. I am looking still discouraged and I don't know, worried. I'm at 26 inches. That's how long. So now it's the end of the day, and I am putting my hair up and ready for bed. I have to go to work tomorrow, so I have to do something, and there is nothing in that mousse bottle. I wish people would just throw things in the trash. I think one of my sons probably had used it and forgot to throw it out. I am going to put my hair in a low ponytail. This is one of the reasons why I start from the back because I normally do wear my hair in a low ponytail anyway, so it wouldn't really be awkward and weird for me to come in looking like that. So here we go, just getting their hair together. And look, it does not look like anything has happened. We are on day four, and look who we have here. My son, my second oldest son. I am a mother of four boys, a boy mom, and he is helping me. Actually, he is 18, so when I was pregnant with him, I started my lock journey, and I told him, "You need to help me get these locks out because I started them when you were in my belly," so he agreed to help me. But look, it looks like he's struggling there. Um, I wasn't really paying attention. I was just going, going, going. Look at my piece, and he looks pretty scared and worried. I'm not sure why his piece looks really dry. So, but I wasn't paying attention. So what I am using is a detangling brush. I found that method to be working pretty good. I went back and forth between that and the lice comb. Um, my son has a lice comb in his hand. I had several brushes, but he said he wanted to use that instead. But it looks like he needs some help. So I put some water on that. Just to try to help him along. And I'm going. Today was pretty much better. I used a solution, put flaxseed gel inside of a spray bottle. I got tired of dipping my hair, so I'm gonna try this and see how it goes for me. Because dipping my hair, it can get really messy, and also remember I said in my last video that I dropped the flaxseed gel, which wasn't fun. So the cleanup of it, I mean, it's a little sticky, so you don't want to drop it. And also, it was warm, so yeah, that was not fun. So here we go. We're still going, and my son is looking very concerned. He's looking at my hand, and he's looking at his, and it's like, what is going on? I am going at the rate of speed, and he is just like looking off into space and not even, yeah, I don't know why I didn't look over at him, but yeah, he's looking very, very, and it looks like he doesn't even have any moisture on that piece. I don't know what's going, oh, see, I'm noticing it and combing it out for him. I wish he would have used, I don't know. So you have to have something to watch. So
Wow,
we're
wow.
looking at a
Wow.
podcast on
Still 5 minutes.
YouTube.
Yeah.
I generally were look at this.
Why is it looking like that?
I don't know why it's breaking off like that, and neither does he. So
I think you should share it.
yeah,
What is this?
I don't know if this is gonna work out. All of the hair that fell out.
Yeah, I think you should because I don't want any kids to
But let's see what
see flesh.
happens. We were cracking up right there because I don't understand what is going on. We are using the exact same thing, and for some reason, every comb, everything he combs through is just breaking off. It's pretty much similar to how
So when you do this,
it happened to me on the first day. So I wasn't really worried about it, and yeah, not paying attention at all. Oh no. So I've noticed
right?
that there is less and less hair
Go ahead
attached to my head on that piece.
and use this.
I think I'm gonna just let him off the hook because this is not working out.
Why?
Trying to show him.
Like this.
Sometimes you gotta just do it yourself.
Come from here.
Yeah, trying to show him. Yeah, I'm gonna let him off the
I
hook.
appreciate you. I appreciate your
I
transparency
don't
and
feel like
Yeah,
it. Finish
just
it.
get out of here, not fair.
speaks
You can
highly
go.
of you and your transformation. And I saw a lot of myself in you when I first came out of
I thought I had
darkness,
help,
I would say,
but that
into
is
the
not the
light.
case. I
And
am going to have
that's
to
what
do this
really moved
myself,
me. And I saw you like a few of my
or
videos.
else
I'm like,
I will be
be
bald
Simone, be
headed.
Simone.
Get out
And
of my
then
face.
when I followed you, I said, wow, okay. And so
He
I prayed.
tried
I said,
though.
if you
I
open the door,
appreciate that.
I'll walk through it out. I think my hands were soaking up the moisture.
Like what is happening? Put that in that box and get out of here.
Let me get out of here.
Thanks for nothing.
All right, now we are at day 5, and I am by myself again. So I am trying to take out 2 locks at a time. And with the slice comb, as you can see, I have a new lice comb. It's pink now. The one that I originally ordered, it just went bad. The bristles were bent up and were not working very good, so I had to get rid of them. Now we have some hang time. I mean, it's still a little thin at the end, but we can work with that. I'm not bald headed, so we are at day 6, and we have 128 locks left. So day 6, in 6 days, we have taken out 35 locks, which is much better than just 10 for 3 days. So, I mean, part of that is because I had the weekend in there. Well, that was 10 days, and then I stayed up pretty late, and I started taking 2 locks out at a time. So that helped me along with that. And day 7, I was exhausted. So it's self care, and I didn't take any locks out. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 3. Bye bye.